Hey guys, welcome to the HitlChat demo video. We're going to be showing you the human handle for HITL functionality that HitlChat offers, which will allow you to intercept your Botpress WhatsApp chatbots conversations between the bot and your customer. This demo assumes that you've already set up your HitlChat account, which is covered in a previous video. We'll put that link in the description below. On the left-hand side, as usual, as the customer, I'm going to reach out for help. Hey, I need help. Because the conversation is still assigned to the bot is naturally going to respond. But now, as the customer, you'll see at the end there's a transfer to human option. So I'm going to select transfer to human and send that. And notice what happens within the HitlChat inbox. Immediately, the status changes to human requested. You can also see the status change on the left-hand side, which makes it nice and obvious for the agent that they should jump into that conversation to help the customer out. And from here on out, as the agent, I can start a manual conversation. And what you'll notice is as soon as I send my first message to the customer, it'll automatically assign this conversation to me from the bot. So I'll say, hey, John, as soon as I hit enter, you can see that it's changed the status to in progress and it's assigned the chat to me. I can now have a conversation back and forth with the customer. How can I help you? I need to know X, Y, Z. Once the agent has finished dealing with the customer, I now have the ability to simply hand the conversation back to the bot so that tomorrow or in a week's time, whenever the customer does reach out again, the bot will respond to them. So I'll assign them back to the bot. And as a customer, let's just say a few days pass by. I'll reach out again. Hey, I need more help. And this time the bot should respond because the conversation is assigned to the bot and the customer will go through the usual workflow. And if you're wondering how HitlChat knows to put the bot into pause mode, as soon as the customer sends the transfer to human option, we covered this in a previous video, but I'll quickly run through it again. If you go to My Account, Hitl Intents tab, you can set up a comma-separated list of phrases here that will cause the bot to stop responding. So I've just simply put transfer to human here. And if we go to the Botpress bot, we'll see that in my node, I've given the customer a bunch of options here. And the last option is transfer to human. And it's really as simple as that.